presenting from SMK Rahman Talib.
When we picture the things that is hurting our planet, we think of like smokestacks, cars, and oil spills. We don't really think about all the food that we throw away. Malaysia has a high amount of food waste with a staggering amount of 76,000 tons or 15 million kilograms of food waste per day in the year of 2021. And out of the 17,006 tons of food waste, 17,000 goes to landfills where it rots and produces methane, a greenhouse gas.
But these problems can be solved. We found a way to make good use of food waste that can potentially help fight climate change and reduce food waste. The portable compost bin, a device that can compost food waste to make fertilizer, chemical fertilizers. A more commonly used fertilizer is made of chemicals with high levels of nitrogen and phosphorus that can reduce food quality, taste, produce greenhouse gases, harden soils, destroying friendly organisms, increase the acidity in the soil, and pollute the air and water. Companies that make these fertilizers also use fossil fuel. Our device uses solar energy, therefore it is environmentally friendly and reduce costs on energy.
This is a sketch of our product.
To cost only around 150 ringgit.
That will help fight climate change. The device also reduces waste and costs less than store-bought fertilizer.
And that's all from us. Thank you.
Soul food. Parked up outside in the old school.